Amazon spiffs up its line of Fire HD tablets. Mobile ad blocking apps are chart toppers thanks to iOS 9. Facebook launches Signal to help journalists keep better tabs on news, and more. It's Thursday, September 17th, and this is Crunch Report. Hello, everyone. Amazon's 8 and 10.1-inch Fire HD tablets got a nice little update today with new micro SD card slots, glossy backs now in black, magenta, blue, and tangerine, and even 4K video support. Users also get access to Amazon Underground. Kind of sounds like a club, but it's a service that gives you popular new apps for free, complete with downloadable content, and a new service that will pre-download content before you go offline, like, say, on a long flight. All very helpful. The tablet's own Android-based Fire OS now includes a page for Amazon Shopping, and all of your media appears on dedicated pages with a one-swipe look at your content as well. The models cost $149.99 for the 8-inch and $229.99 for the 10.1. Available for pre-order today and will ship in the coming weeks. Also, a new model, a super cheap $49 Fire. It's a tablet as well. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos calls it a premium product at non-premium prices. The Fire has a 7-inch display and also sells as a 6-pack for $250. That's good value. Apple's new mobile OS, iOS 9, I just downloaded it earlier today and it took forever. I guess it's really high in demand. Now allows users to block ads on mobile websites, plus other content that can slow down browsing or eat into mobile data limits. Users have to download an ad blocking app and then go into iOS's settings to enable their blocker of choice. Pretty easy though, and it's obviously a wanted feature. Ad blockers are already at the top of the charts in the App Store, a bunch of them. The paid for ones are anyway. The free stuff still can't usurp Messenger and Snapchat and all those free apps. An app called Peace, which costs $2.99 from Instapaper founder Marco Arment, uses Ghostery's robust block list, which Arment explains he licensed from Ghostery by offering them a percentage of the app's revenue. Very smart. Some others include Purify Blocker, Crystal, and Blocker without an E, kind of like Flickr, just to name a few. They all do the same base thing. Block ads and other content like tracking scripts when you're using mobile Safari. Now, depending on the app, you can go a step further too. Maybe turn off social share widgets, or ads, or fonts, even comments, maybe even videos. Wait, videos? You don't want to turn off videos, right? For real though, publishers and advertisers, and yes, we work for a publisher, either have to change our entire business model or find ways to get around the blockers, and that's going to upset some people. Now, even though I work at a company affected by this, and it's possible that you do too, I do think that forcing everyone to rethink the mobile web experience is a good thing, certainly long term anyway. I hope so. Today, Facebook introduced a new platform called Signal to help journalists, it's all about us today, discover and embed content. The tool pulls from both Facebook and Instagram. Instagram, of course, is owned by Facebook, and gives people in media what Facebook says will make Facebook a more vital part of their news gathering with access to relevant trends, photos, videos, and posts on Facebook and Instagram for use in their storytelling and reporting. And I say that's great, because if I look at the current trending topics on my Facebook feed, they are really, really stupid. So not only journalists, but also celebrities can start broadcasting live video streams and create posts that only go out to their followers and not spam their friends. With Signal, journalists get access to multiple highly sorted news feeds of public content, not just based on pages that they've liked and content that they've engaged with. A more universal trending picture, if you will. By the way, I signed up and Facebook made me email them with my Sarah Lane at TechCrunch email, so they really do care that I'm a journalist. The NFL has teamed up with Snapchat to watch exclusive original videos through Snapchat's Live Story feature, which will offer a combination of user-submitted snaps mixed with official content that promises inside access to various NFL events and locations, whatever they are besides games. All 32 NFL teams will be featured in the upcoming photo and video combo packages and can be watched by anybody worldwide where Snapchat is available. The NFL says that it worked with Snapchat to produce a weekly programming schedule which will run throughout the season and the postseason, including the Super Bowl. And then fans can also contribute snaps to the NFL's live story if they have location services enabled while at select NFL events and games. Let me know how it goes, because I'm probably not going to participate. Surge pricing! Know what it is? If you don't, it's Uber's fare increase for those times when there's a high demand for rides, but not a lot of drivers on the roads. I happen upon it all the time. Now, a lot of riders complain about surge pricing because it seems expensive and you don't know why, but a few researchers have broken down exactly what's happening and written it up on Uber's blog in an effort to make sense of why you seem to have to pay more all the time. The researchers looked into what happened when a glitch in Uber's system caused surge pricing to turn off for 26 minutes in New York City on New Year's Eve of last year. Were you there? People were pissed. And compare that to a similar scenario, it was actually an Ariana Grande concert in New York City, in terms of demand when surge pricing was working. Now, in the New Year's Eve scenario, estimated times of arrival drastically increased, and the number of rides completed and fulfilled decreased. Less than 25% of people who requested a ride were able to get one. That's no good. But a different study conducted by a Washington Post reporter suggests that surge pricing doesn't actually increase the supply of drivers on the road at all. What it does is relocate the drivers who are already driving to address high-demand areas. And if that's true, it still means that somebody in some other neighborhood is going to get stuck with a longer wait time because all the cars went somewhere else, like an Ariana Grande concert. I don't know what you're doing there. I don't know. That's the report for today. I am Sarah Lane. Crunch Report airs Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific, right here on TechCrunch.com. Thanks for watching every day. We love you, and we'll see you tomorrow.